Rainforest of Cuba. Take a picture of us taking a picture.
Goofy.
Tourist.
Wait, this is a good rainforest picture. You have to pay attention to what you're doing, honey. Just
Yeah, I am.
spinning it around. We did that last time. You got to be still. I could ride and hold back.
Pretty lush. And then you get the
Sure is.
other camera.
There's a man taking a bath down there, so we're not going to interrupt him. I already took pictures of him. Oh, there's a man right there taking a picture. Come here, stand where I'm at. Look what that man's doing.
Where?
Straight ahead of me. Across the river. In the trees.
Can't see anybody.
Straight ahead, Tom. On the other side of the river. Exactly even with us. Tom.
I don't see him. Where?
Across the river.
I'm looking across the river.
Standing in the trees. On the same level we are. He's like our feet are.
Oh, way up there.
Yeah. Now look at him. That's not right.
No, it's not right.
It's worse that I'm filming him.
Yeah.
Okay. Enjoy. Well. So you ask what goes on in the forest, all kinds of stuff happens out here.